We're climbing up Stanford Rock on the west shore. I think it's about a 2,200 foot climb. It's gonna be about 17 miles today. Haven't done this ride in a while, which is something I say a lot on these videos, because I started doing these videos to get me riding in more places that I've been ignoring. So just doing the regular old Jackass or Painted Rock or Happy Face Wood Splitter. So getting me out and about a bit more, which is nice. So I forgot my sunglasses today, so that's a little bit of a bummer, but should be fine. Nice shade in the trees here. Another beautiful day in Lake Tahoe.